Welcome to LECCE. Day 53, Day 54. Our next stop after BARI was LECCE, which is another city of Puglia. If you know Italia as the boot named after the shape, LECCE is on the heel of Italy. Trust me, it was 2 hours of short ride. We had a beautiful sunny day. The view from the window was wonderful. Mountains, valleys, olive trees, the ocean in the far distance. Lecce is one of the poor regions of Italy, and we have not seen many modern buildings. Even though Bari is the capital of Puglia, Lecce is another very important province of the region. In fact, to us, this province felt more vibrant and bigger than Bari. There were a lot of historical monuments. I personally read somewhere that Lecce is the Florence of the South. Lecce is over 2000 years old, with full of Baroque-style churches, architecture, castles, and monuments everywhere. The city has a unique color. Just like Bologna, which is the city of red, for having red-colored walls and architectures everywhere, Lecce is a limestone-colored city. From the floor to the roof, there were creamy, lemony, yellowish color were present. Personally, Lecce may not be Rome or Cinque Terre or Venice, but city is certainly worth paying a visit, trust me. It is beautiful, calm, not too many annoying tourists, full of historical sites, very picturesque, has a good source of Italian food and wine. It could be a good stop for visit the rest of Puglia for its central position. Now let's take a look at some photos. Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silkypix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Across Film Simulation. Enjoy! I see you in Pompeii. Yes.